Hello, my name is Effie and I have been married to Tal Baldwin since 2011. I'm officially still married to him. However, in early 2020, I had to flee away from Tab for the sake of myself and my kids to keep us safe. This video is because of his latest interview, and when he talks about his family, I want to make sure that he doesn't represent me or my kids. At the time, I repeatedly told the Ateneo University that children are not safe around him and it was their duty to remove him. I urged them to move him away from the campus, the university campus, and they proceeded to launch a campaign of intimidation and silencing. Rovelin and Elias, the deaths of your kids were not only predictable but preventable. The bodies of your kids are still warm and he's talking about moving on. That's terrible. Please believe him. I urge the Filipinos and the police there to keep asking why he was still allowed around children in spite of these warnings.